Her favorite pastime is her passion for fashion. Past tense because the dream to become a designer is behind her. Some solely console the lonely when upset with them to mend a broken heart. She'll slowly start to sketch again. The Michael Kors bag was filled with pencils and paper. She drew in the nail salon as I thought I'll eventually date her. Will she associate her artwork with the pain I bring? My fear of commitment is why we remained a fling. Low self-esteem, high maintenance. She'll try my patience while waiting for me to give it the world. My lies and false word has been delivered to girls. Still they live for the silver and pearls. Though the gold in American apparel is what she deserves, but she's embarrassed and careful. She finds inner peace when she occupies her mind. Mama taught her about her quarter life, marry a man who could provide.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and this is kae'swae. If you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification button with the bell so you don't miss out on any of my content, and then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on the pics. So let's get started. Doing another hair review. I know, is that what this channel is? No. But I've got another wig to review for you guys. It is a Nadula wig, so I'm pretty sure most of us have heard of Nadula hair. It is a 20-inch Malaysian kinky straight wig. Let me read the name. You already know. Nadula 10A Malaysian kinky straight hair half wig Malaysian hair, wear with or without headband wig for Black women, no lace, glueless, 3/4 half wig, 150% density, natural color, 20 inches. Now, let's get started. So, this is a kinky straight texture. I love it. I will insert a video of how the hair comes in this clip right here. So, this is my package from Nadula Hair. It comes in this plastic bag. It's super long. Let's see what else comes with it. It comes with a headband, you know, one of those ugly ones that they send with everything, but whatever. Then it comes with a wig cap. I guess we don't give out black wig caps anymore. So it's a 3/4 wig. It's not a headband wig. It doesn't actually have a headband on it. Oh, this one's not that ugly. I kind of like this one. Okay, and it's kinky straight, and it just has this big comb in the front, this big comb in the back, and then the two little drawstrings. And yeah, this is what she looks like. Let's go try her on. And this is what she looks like. No love or care. You can see the band is not there, but it's a really nice blown out texture. Fast forward to the final result. Anyway, so I bought this wig a little while ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. I've been loving it, loving it. I did straighten my own hair and I was trying to match it with this hair. Let me just tell you, my actual natural hair, when I straighten it out, it still does not match this texture perfectly. This still does look like blown out natural hair, but it doesn't match my texture. So just so you guys know, it is also I feel maybe a true 1B. I think my hair is more really black, like a jet black. So I think it is a 1B. It is 150 density. This thing is thick, boo. It's thick. It does not have a headband. It does not come with a headband. So this headband is a headband I just put on, but my hair is just like there. And then I put the half wig. It has a comb right in the front and one comb in the back. This comb in the front is the most painful thing ever as you wear it throughout the day. So I like to wear my wigs basically all day. So I do get pain if I put the comb into my hair, but I do use a wig grip instead just to keep my hair there, and it's been doing fine. I have tried the half up, half down, but I think my edges are just a little too thin for that. I feel like if you have thick edges, if you do the half up, half down style and you straighten your own hair, it would look really good. Because even when I did the half up, half down, it didn't look crazy. It just, my edges are thin, and then like the wig is thick, so it's like there is no transition into how thick it was. So line of demarcation wasn't cute, but if you have thick hair, it will look so much better. It is such a nice hair texture. It holds a curl if you put hairspray in it, but other than that, like, it's not going to keep a really good curl. Or maybe that's just my flat iron, because I curl with flat iron, but I put hairspray in it today and it is holding its curl pretty well. The band itself is not hard to mask as long as you have a thick enough headband. I even use a very thin, like one of those little hard headbands with the little scrunchy velvet around it. I'm sure we've seen it by now. If you haven't, Google it. But I wore that with the wig the first day that I wore it and it looked just fine. What else? Didn't come with any weird smell. It is 20 inches. It's totally, I'm wearing black, so you can't really see, but it's definitely true in length. It curls nicely. Like I said, it doesn't keep a curl that well, but it really does curl nicely. It does get a nice curl in it. It's very soft. Let's stop saying Let's see. I don't know. I really like Malaysian hair, apparently. Like, this hair is soft but kinky, and I really like that. It looks like it could be my hair. Like, if my hair color was probably the same, I would wear my own hair out and just, like, straighten the front. I did straighten it. I did not blow dry it. I straightened it. I've curled it. I've washed it. It does shed. It's not crazy shedding. It's nothing that I didn't expect, especially from kinky hair. It does get a little tangled in the back, and also, like, I have a good amount of hair product in it, but, like, overall it's not bad. And then, you know how we do with the, I feel like I just felt a piece of hair though. There's none in my hand, but you know, it does what it does. Overall, I really do like this wig. I would definitely purchase it again. I would 100% purchase it again. I do feel that they can make one with a headband as well. So, like, this would be great for if you want to switch it up from a headband to not having a headband. You can switch it up. This wig, I feel, because it doesn't have the headband, it slides back a little bit more. So I notice when I scratch my head, I'm not someone who's like, I don't do that. I'm in there. I'm scratching. So it'll move my wig back, and not everybody likes that. I don't really care for that. So I feel like they could do one with the headband, because I noticed my other headband wigs, when they have the headband on it, it does not slide back as often. So maybe that would help. But yeah, y'all, that's it. There's nothing else to say. Yeah, it's really pretty. It is it's an off black / it's a brown color. It's really pretty though. Love. Gotta rate this. It's a 9 out of 10 for me, dog. Other than the fact that it slides back and it's not my hair texture, which is not its fault, and it's not my hair color, which is not its fault, I would give it a 9 out of 10. So yeah. Anyway, guys, if you want to hear more about different hairs that I buy, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button with the bell, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on any of my pictures, any of my content. And that is it. I'm gonna go film another video, so I will see you guys in my next one. Well, you'll see me in mine. Peace. 'Cause if you want me to